How to buy stocks. Lesson 4, how to choose a good stock. In this video, we are going to go over how to find a good stock/company, and I say stock/company because the way a company performs usually affects the strength of the stock. Now, the question of how to choose a good stock isn't an easy question to answer because people have their own feelings, opinions, and hopes about each particular stock. But there are a few principles to try to stick to. This video will cover investing in what you know and not investing in any company just because someone told you it was good. We will cover investing in what's currently popular in the stores. We will cover investing in ethically sound companies because ethical companies are more likely to be around in the future as opposed to unethical companies. We will talk about investing in solid companies and what makes a company considered solid. This is fairly straightforward. Invest in companies/stocks that you know and understand. It's not about being able to understand every company and how they operate, because that would be impossible. Instead, you have to choose specific industries that you are interested in and understand. The first industry you should understand is the industry you work in. So start there and see what companies are in the top of that industry. If there is a company that you're interested in that is in an industry that you know nothing about, then you should not be investing in that company, at least until you learn about that industry. One example of this is pharmaceutical companies. You may hear about how much money pharmaceutical companies make, but if you don't know anything about the industry, you may not know that pharmaceutical companies don't always have great stocks because they spend so much money in research and development, so they can be considered a liability. Another point that I want to remind you about is that there are cyclical stocks, which means that they perform well at particular times of the year, and you have to be aware of this because you will want to buy in a downturn and sell in the upswing. An example of a cyclical sector is retail. Retail stocks tend to underperform over the spring and summer, but when the holidays come around, they shoot up because people are buying gifts and presents, so the stock tends to go up. Invest in what people are buying in the stores. That's right, everyone. One of the best ways to find a great company to invest in is to go out to the malls and see what people are buying. This tends to be harder than it sounds because once you get to the mall, you realize there are so many people in all the stores and mostly are just browsing. So what you have to do is ask questions, and lots of them. Go into stores and ask some of the employees what they sell the most of. A good example is a store like Best Buy. Go into Best Buy and ask which computer product they sell the most of. And that company could possibly be a good company to look into and begin to research to possibly buy their stock. It is becoming more and more popular to invest in ethically sound companies because the ones that aren't ethical may not make it into the future. Ethics are a set of moral principles that govern a person's or group's behavior. Ethical companies should have a defined set of moral principles that everyone within the company abides by. There are many sites that evaluate companies based on ethics. These sites then rank the top 100 companies. So, check out the web and see if the company you are interested in is on the list, or you can use the list to find potential companies to invest in. A company's customer service department can show how ethical or helpful they are. So, check out their customer service. See how well they respond to you, and if they are considerate to your needs. Companies are continuously trying to improve their image, and customer service is where they should be strong. Many large companies tend to have what is called a corporate citizenship section on their websites, and this seems to be becoming a standard. Corporate citizenship is where the companies try to show how they are giving back to the community and being ethical. Invest in solid companies. Usually a solid company is one that has stood the test of time and has continued to do well over a period of time. A solid company tends to either be the best or near the best in its particular industry. Solid companies also tend to be well known. Hopefully now you feel confident enough to be able to find solid, ethical companies that you understand. Next, we will go over how to find a stock at the right price, so once you have found the company you want, you can go and purchase some stock at the right price.